Namaste to all learners. My name is Nikul Patel. Topic for the today's video is advantages and disadvantages of hydraulic system. Every human has positive and negative sides. So, it is understandable that humans creation also has merits and demerits. First, we are going through the advantages and then disadvantages of the hydraulic system in this video. Advantages of hydraulic system. Transmission of hydraulic power is easy and it will provide smooth movement while transferring load or force from one place to another. Weight to power ratio of hydraulic system is comparatively less than that for an electromechanical system. For example, electric motor which has 8.5 kg approximately will generate 1 kilowatt power, but we can generate same amount of power by hydro system who has weight around 0.85 kg. It is possible to generate high amount of force and torque with the help of hydraulic system. This system provides stepless motion with all possible speed variation. Just for an example, you can transfer force with speed of 0.1 meter per minute to 10 meter per minute without jerk. Frictional resistance is much less in hydraulic system as compared to mechanical system. Amount of friction present in mechanical system is much higher than the hydraulic system. Hydraulic element can be located at any place and control easily. You can control hydraulic system from any place and can be installed at any place. The noise and vibration produced by hydraulic pumps is minimal. In hydraulic system, value of noise and vibration is less as compared to mechanical system. Hydraulic systems are cheaper if one considers the high efficiency of power transmission. In economical point of view, this system is cheaper than the other one when considering high amount of power is to be transmitted. Maintenance of hydraulic system is easy. Why? Because this system use oil as a working fluid and oil is also used as a lubricant. Hydraulic system is compact in terms of its size and weight. Hydraulic system is flexible in terms of output. We can get linear, rotational and angular motion at the end of operations. It is well equipped with overload safety power system, so lessen the chances of accidents. This system has accurate feedback system. By this, we can accurately monitor the position of actuators as well as load value at each position. In spite of all advantages of hydraulic system, there are some drawbacks. Disadvantages of hydraulic system. Hydraulic element must be machined at a high degree of accuracy. This will increase the machining cost during the manufacturing of parts. Leakage of hydraulic oil poses a problem to system operator. Level of risk gets high when leakage occurs. Special treatment is needed to protect them from rust, corrosion, dirt, and so on, and this will increase the cost of maintenance. Hydraulic oil may pose problems if it disintegrates due to aging and chemical deterioration. During the working condition, some amount of heat will produce, and this heat plays a major role to perform chemical reaction between the metallic parts of the hydraulic system and oil. Due to leakages, hydraulic system maintenance gets messy. Hydraulic oils are highly flammable. Because of this, chances of accident arise when leakage will happen. Stay tuned for the remaining syllabus. Thank you.